Start by placing a 2x2 batten flush with the gable. Next, place a 1x2 batten on top. Grab your interlocking starter trim and measure 1.5 inches on the lock. Then make a straight cut from the mark and unfold the lock. Now trim off the extra metal. Slide the cut end underneath the battens and make sure the edge of the trim is flush with the gable. Now secure the interlocking starter. Get a shingle and measure 2 inches from the side that will be placed at the gable. Now make a straight cut on the mark and unfold the top lock. Flip the shingle over and measure 2 inches on the bottom lock. Then make a straight cut all the way through the bottom lock. Now trim off the extra metal on the top and bottom lock. Use a rubber mallet to flatten down the 2-inch mark to prepare for our bend. Now line up the marks in the break and bend the shingle upwards slightly over 90 degrees. Now lock the shingle into place and make sure the bent side is flush with the gable battens, then secure the shingle. Use a rubber mallet to fold over any metal that is higher than the gable battens. Now place the capped rake on the battens and measure 2 inches from the eave. Now create a mark and cut the capped rake all the way across. From the side that we just cut, create another mark 2 inches in on the bend. Now cut to that mark on both sides of the bend, roughly 10 to 15 degrees. On the top of the capped rake trim, measure 1 inch and cut across. Now place the capped rake trim to make sure your measurements are correct. Now fold the side flap inward, slightly over 90 degrees for a clean bend. Again for the top flap. Secure the capped rake trim and use a rubber mallet for any loose bends. Use silicone and granules to cover the seams and any exposed chrome for the finishing touches. Here is the finished results.